Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful char on the outside of the meat. There's a saltiness to the meat, but a very subtle, like most chickens that you get have this overwhelming flavor to them. It's a very subtle flavor. It's so much fresher tasting than a regular chicken. To have a native chicken, this is awesome.
Chay, masarap daw.
Masarap daw.
I'm recording.
I'm sorry.
Jesus. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Alright, you know what's going to make this the best thing ever in the world right now? Chilies. So. Oh, wow. Look at another. Oh man. That is so good. Oh my god, this is awesome. Alright, what you three can do, leave. I'm eating everything. I'm staying with Chay. You guys all go home. I'm gonna live here. This is what I'm eating from now on.
To adopt you.
It's the tuba.
Oh my god.
How would you say, compare it to regular chicken inasal?
It's definitely better. Like I said, there's a very clean flavor to the chicken. That's what I was telling these guys earlier. Like that's the best way I can describe it. It's not. There's a very clean taste to the chicken itself. It's just a fresh bird. Like here, let's do this. Like, I'm gonna hold that up there. Like, can you just see how juicy that is? This may be the greatest thing you've ever eaten in your life. Oh my god. Oh, that's so good. Like the juiciness in the breast is just unbelievable. Alright, let's do another little section. I'll try and move this over so I don't touch you guys' chickens. You can eat from the one that I ate off of that. You don't mind, do you? You okay with that? I'm just gonna keep rolling here. Alright, huh? That's okay. I can deal with it. I can filter that out. Okay. Another thing that we got here. As you saw on when she was cooking earlier, she has fresh pork chops that she throws on the grill as well. So I'm gonna dig into a little bit of rice, a little bit of the pork chop. She cooks everything in the chicken oil as well when it's cooking. So you get this little beautiful glaze that's happening over the pork chops itself. We go one more here. And chili. Oh my god. Oh, that is awesome. Okay. Let's do the bangus. Are you guys hungry?
Nope.
You sure?
I eat this all the time.
I want another bite of this.
Chay Letty loves whenever you take a bite out of the chili.
She likes that? Oh, it's good.
Try the bangus.
Ay, that's hot.
Hold on, she's getting you a kuchara. Chay Letty's bringing you a kuchara. There you go.
Thank you. See if I can tear a little piece of this off. Alright. Next thing we got here is the grilled bangus. Once again, this is all coated with that same oil on the grill as well. Alright, you guys have seen me eat a ton of bangus on film. We're going no rice here. It's a very subtle flavored fish to begin with, but the glaze, the chicken oils that she's coating it all with from the grill. Oh my god. It is the most delicate, flaky. Let me see if I can hold this up to the camera for you as well, so you can see just how juicy the fillet on this fish is. Like, it's unbelievable. Finish that with chili too. Everything is literally unbelievable, right? Lose your mind good. It's that good. Like, this is one of the best things I've had to eat in a long time. Oh man, that's good. Okay, chill it for a minute.
Chay, hi daw, sabi ng fans mo.
Hi!
What's the address on this?
Nandito lang po.
What's the address? Anong address?
Punta tayo
Turn it
tayo.
off? Okay.
Ito mga Bacolod
Fire that
City.
number 40.
Okay, that's Chay.
Turn the camera off.
Alright, thank you very much. We'll eat now.